Hey, fifth grade mathers. Okay, welcome to another day of review for fractions and everything like that. Go to the purple section in your book. Go to page 362. I still really don't want to be doing the fraction problems with you because you really need to be stretching your brain and your mind so that you can be doing them on your own, but I am going to give you some advice, some consejo. So look at number 1 on lesson 70. Make sure you find the common denominator, right? Look at the first, look at the biggest denominator, the denominator that's the biggest, and decide, can the other one be turned into that one, or do you need to find a new number, okay? Some of you guys are experts at finding that common denominator, and some of you guys are still guessing. If you feel like you're guessing, you need to text me. You need to ask me, is this the right denominator, Ms. Cheska? I'll help you, okay? Because I know some of you guys know that what you're doing is not right, but you don't know what to do. Well, don't guess. Text me and I'll help you, okay? Look at number 2. Here you're going to have to find a common denominator and you're going to have to press that. Okay, so make sure that you're doing that. Make sure that you're borrowing with that subtraction. Look at number 6. Remember that when you're multiplying with whole numbers, what do you have to do with that whole number? You need to write it like this, okay, so that you can multiply correctly. All of those multiplications, 6, 7, and 8, are all like that, okay? Then, remember, how are you going to set up number 11, number 12, and number 13? 11 is going to go like this. 15 quarts equals how many pints? Okay, 15 quarts equals how many pints? Number 12 is going to be a fraction for your answer. So be careful on that one. Number 12 is going to be a fraction for your answer because remember there's 2,000 pounds in 1 ton. Okay? All of that stuff you know. All of that stuff you know. How many pecks are in a bushel? 4. 4 pecks are in a bushel, so make sure that you do that one correctly. Okay? Look at lesson 71. Number 2, you're going to have to find the common denominator and press that, okay? Number 7, you do not do. Number 8, you do not do. Number 9, you have to do. Look at number 9. We're deciding, is it greater than, less than, or equal, right? So, 6 hours, half a day. Well, how many hours are in half a day, you guys? Well, a whole day is 24 hours, so half of it is what? So, right, how many hours half of a day is, so you can decide if it's greater than or less than. Okay? In number 10, listen carefully, this is not a suggestion, this is how you need to do this. You need to see how many feet are in 15 yards. How many feet are in 15 yards so you can decide if it's bigger or less than 50. Okay? You need to do the same thing for number 12. You have 85 years, 4 decades. Well, you need to tell me how many years are in 4 decades, because that's going to tell me if it's greater than or equal to, okay? So you do need to decide that in order to do those problems with knowledge, conocimiento, okay? So the rest is up to you guys. Work hard. Ask me any questions that you have. Bye.